Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Krita. Start by downloading Krita from its official website, ensuring you get the correct version for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, launch Krita. You'll be prompted to select your preferred language and a visual theme, such as dark or light. Finally, set up your initial canvas with a resolution like 300 dpi and a color profile like sRGB. Next, let's personalize your workspace. Krita offers extensive customization for dockers and panels. Drag and drop them to your preferred locations. You can save these custom layouts as unique workspaces for quick switching between tasks. Don't forget to configure keyboard shortcuts for your most used tools, saving you valuable time. Experiment with brush settings, adjusting parameters like size and flow, and save your favorite combinations as new presets. Now, let's dive into canvas and document settings. It's crucial to understand canvas dimensions and resolution, whether you're preparing for print at 300 dpi or web at 72 dpi. Select the correct color model, such as RGB for digital work or CMYK for print. Utilize rulers, guides, and grids to achieve precise alignment in your artwork. Finally, explore Krita's powerful layer management system and various blending modes to enhance your compositions. To ensure a smooth experience, optimize Krita's performance. Adjust the canvas cache settings and preferences. A larger cache can improve responsiveness on complex files. Efficiently manage brush tip memory usage, especially with large custom brushes. Enable hardware acceleration by selecting OpenGL or Direct 3D in the display settings, which can significantly speed up drawing. Remember to close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources for Krita.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.